Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add taxes on your Squarespace site, so let's get right into it. Now, once you're on your main page, as you can see here, this is a landing page, and you want to be on your main menu over here, so make sure you go all the way to the home menu, and once you're here, you're going to click on taxes or settings. Once you're here, you're going to click on the selling tab, and you have all of these selling options over here. What we want is the taxes tab, and as you'll see, I already have a tax rule set up for Aruba, and once you set up that, you can select whether you want to add the tax at checkout or include it in the price. I like to include it in my price since that's the standard for Europe, and it makes things much easier for the seller to calculate how much they're going to spend. Then you're going to click on add rate, and here you can select which country you would like. You can select literally whichever one you would like. I'll select, I don't know, the Åland Islands, then select next, and here you can enter the tax name. I'll make it text tax 2. Then the country rate, you need to add the rate for your country. I'll add it 15%. I'm not sure if that's correct for the Åland Islands, but after you're done with that, you can select whether you want to charge taxes on services and digital products, charge taxes on shipping or not, depending on what country you're in. That might change, so make sure you have that set up. Now, the tax rules for the US and Canada look a bit different. You can add provincial taxes, you can add state taxes, depending on where you live and what you're trying to do. But all in all, that is pretty much all you need to do. All that's left, click save, and now you have your taxes set up, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.